Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for your great support always. I'm so grateful for your continued support to this channel. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You will not believe that the High Court has nullified the reconstitution of the IEBC commissioners. According to the Justice Lawrence Mugambi, he's claiming that the panel was installed not in accordance to the law, that the public participation was not entrenched in the law, or rather it was not considered during the reconstitution of the panel that was to reconstitute the IEBC commissioners. I want you to listen to more details. But before we do that, ladies and gentlemen, as we always do, please ensure you like the video. When you like the video, you automatically support the work that I'm doing in this channel. Because sometimes you watch and you forget liking the video. So this is just a reminder. As you watch, please consider liking the video. Let us listen to the details.
Plans for the recruitment of commissioners of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission (IEBC) have been thrown into disarray after the High Court nullified the law establishing IEBC's selection panel. This comes at a time when the country is in a heated debate of a delay in the reconstitution of IEBC commissioners that has seen the government, through the spokesperson, recently call for an intra-party dialogue. And then TV's Macharia Mbogwa now reports the nullification takes the entire process back to the drawing board.
Even though the 8-member IEBC selection panel was yet to start the process owing to 2 court cases pending at the Court of Appeal and the High Court, in a ruling Friday, Justice Lawrence Mugambi nullified the IEBC Act No. 1 of 2023, terming it unconstitutional as it was passed without considering views presented by the public and various stakeholders. The judge noted that on January 19th, 2023, the bill was withdrawn by the chairman of the Senate Legal Affairs and Human Rights Committee on the floor of the House without the consent of the members, and the Senate proceeded to deliberate on the bill in its original form, not considering the amendment report that was informed by the public participation exercise carried out, adding that the logical inference from the conduct of the Senate is that the public participation it conducted was meaningless and majorly cosmetic. The IEBC has been at a standstill following the resignation of 4 commissioners in 2022 and the end of tenure of 3 others in 2023. In a presser with the media, government spokesman Isaac Mwaura called on Azimio coalition to withdraw a court injunction that he said was blocking the formation of the IEBC selection panel to allow the government proceed with the reconstitution process. However, Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka, for his part, claims that the ruling Kenya Kwanza government was using the National Labour's Party, Augustus Kialo, to frustrate the process through a case he filed in the Court of Appeal. Busia Senator Okiya Omtata challenged the Senate's handling of the amendments after the committee chairman withdrew the report without a debate.
This honorable House,
Parliament argued the selection panel's strict timelines necessitated bypassing any delays, and public participation doesn't necessarily mandate adopting all proposals. The clerk of Senate defended the withdrawal, citing compliance with standing orders even as the Attorney General sought dismissal of the case, arguing that the Constitution allows bills concerning counties to originate in either parliamentary house. Today's nullification by the High Court leaves the entire process of IEBC selection at limbo. However, a media brief from Parliament says the judgment has no effect on the composition of the selection panel for the recruitment of the chairperson and commissioners of the IEBC. Macharia Mbogwa, NTV.
Now, the way you have listened to the details, I can tell you without any fear that there's something that some individuals are busy playing in a certain corner. You want to tell me these individuals, they don't know the rule of law? Or rather, if they don't know, we don't have some individuals who are so experienced how the IEBC commissioners should be reconstituted. Or these individuals are planning something fishy towards 2027. Because a country without an electoral body, how do you feel it? Because remember, number one, the boundaries has not been reviewed. You know? The IEBC commissioners must be there prior, you know, before even 3 years, equal lapse. But now we are remaining with 2 years and some 7 months or 8 months. But we don't have IEBC commissioners. What you are being told is that the reconstitution of the panel that was to reconstitute the IEBC commissioners was not in accordance to the law. That the public participation was not entrenched during the formation of the panel. The question is, those who are doing this, hawakujua, so wanajua. So there is a game that is being played here. That of course you must be serious about it. One thing that I cannot lie about it is, remember, William Ruto is having powers in this, the constitution of IEBC commissioners. Remember the issue of dialogue report. Ilimalizwa kitambo sana. And so when I'm seeing now they are gambling with the reconstitution of IEBC commissioners, then I'm asking myself, is there something fishy? Is there something fishy behind the scene that we don't know? And some individuals are understanding very well whatever is going on. So I think when I listen to details how they are gambling about the constitution of IEBC, and this issue of IEBC is bringing a lot of problem that even William Ruto himself is not considering. To understand truly, we need IEBC. We are having by-elections, pending by-elections. Pending by-elections. Swali tunajiuliza, ni nini inaendelea? Is there tricks in between the executive and judiciary that they want to delay this thing? Then now we'll be remaining with 1 year na hatuna IEBC. Because wanataka iende hivyo pole pole. Unasikia kesho next year pia tumefika katikati ya mwaka na hatuna IEBC commissioners. Reason utaambiwa kwamba the law has not been followed, but you want to tell me these people does not know to interpret the law. Hii inatakikana, hii tusifanye. Inatakikana tufuate law hivi na hivi. Watu sasa wanavurutana, mtu yangu nitakana kuwa hapo, huyo sasa itakani akae hapo, sijui, you know, something that is very funny. But for us we need IEBC so that even if it is possible we recall these members of parliament. You know, we recall them because they have forgotten their mandate. I don't think if bigger percentage of members of parliament, they do remember why they were elected to these offices. It is just talking, making more noise in Twitter. Then you ask yourself, surely, are we having leaders or dramists? What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Because there is something that is very serious, very serious. Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much because of your great support. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Bye-bye till you meet in another video.